We know how frustrating it can be to have a leak in your home or your property, and how important it is to get it fixed right the first time. American Leak Detection is the industry leader in non-invasive, non-destructive leak detection and repair. Here at American Leak Detection, our highly trained technicians use proprietary technology and leak detection methods developed over 40+ years to quickly uncover the cause and origin of your mystery leak, saving you money and avoiding additional damage to your home or property. We also specialize in locating swimming pool and spa leaks, main service line and under slab leaks, performing water loss surveys for cities, towns and water districts, and so much more. Our teams follow all safety precautions and procedures related to COVID-19 to keep you and your family safe. If you suspect you have a hidden leak, have received a notice from your utility company, or require a survey for your city or town, please give us a call to learn more. Save time, money, and headaches by calling your locally owned and operated leak detection specialists.